Hey there, and welcome to our next makeup tutorial for Fashion Art Toronto 2020 and their virtual shows. This one featuring a look for Padina Bondar, and it is a very, very pretty look today. So we want to go for something soft and shimmery and pearl pinks, warmth. You will be wearing a mask, so it will cover most of the face. So we do want to perfect the skin, but recognize you're really only going to see this much of the face. So to start, I'm going to do a quick little skin prep. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use just my custom blend. It's a nice sheer foundation that I can actually layer if need be. So just use whatever foundation it is that you do have at home. And then I am going to pop on a little concealer under my eyes just to help me look awake. Okay, so for this look, I'm going to play with my Lorac Pro Bakery Box. You can see the shades in here. There are some shimmers and it's all nice and warm. So we're going to go for a very soft makeup look, blended, light and shimmery on the inside or on the ball of the eye. If you want to play with a bit of a halo, halo effect, if that suits your eye, or if you just want to play with a light smoky eye, whatever works for your eye shape. So I'm going to start with my eye base. Okay, so to start with this look, I'm going to find a pink shade, which I have one here called Marzipan that looks lovely. And I'm going to take my round brush and I'm going to create my shape. Then I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to first find, I think I'm going to take this highlighter here and I'm going to tap this on my inner eye. And then there's one here called Birthday Cake that looks nice and pinky and shimmery. I'm going to tap this all over my mobile lid. And I'm going to find a darker brown or something just to give my eyes a bit of dimension. So I think I do have one here called Hot Fudge. So I'm going to take this darker brown and I'm just going to lightly do my outer corner. Then I'm going to take my smudger brush. So it's a small flat brush with the same color. I'm going to come underneath my lash line just on the outer corners and then transition into my mid-tone. And then I'm just going to clean up under my eye, just make the edge a little bit softer as I juggle my brush. I'm just going to make the edge a little bit softer with my, I have a very light translucent powder. So I'm just going to tap that out and then blend that underneath very lightly. And we do want the eye to look clean. So if you have a white eyeliner or a peach eyeliner, something that you can do in your waterline, go ahead and do that as well. Then for our eyeliner, we just want something very pretty. So I don't want a too gigantic cat eye or anything like that, but if you want to do a little baby lift on the outer corners, just something to create that beautiful shape. So I'm going to use my liquid liner. It's one of those felt tip pens. If you have a kohl pencil, you can do that. You can also just wet your eyeshadow and do that. And again, for this look, you will very much want to curl your lashes, give them a nice lift. If you have false lashes, using a nice day look, like these, just something to enhance your lash line, you can absolutely put those on as long as they're a little bit on the natural glam side and not like the super, super dramatic ones. Otherwise, you can just load up your eyes with mascara, which is what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to curl first. Okay, and then we also want to make sure we are grooming our eyebrows. So we just want a nice natural shape to your brow. So I'm going to use my Velour Brow and Fluff. Is that what it is? Nope, Fluff and Brow. I'm going to use this to first highlight, or not highlight, but enhance my arch and just shape it a little bit along the outside and then brush it out. And then I am going to make them a little bit fluffier by using the Balm from the tip of the velour. So then you do want to set your face, your foundation, and under your eyes. And as you will be wearing face masks, if you want to do just a light highlight up here, you can absolutely do that as well. And then set everything with your makeup setting spray. So for the shadows, you want anything shimmery. If you have bronzes or corals or champagne colored, anything light and shimmery that's going to pop. You can also use your blush if you've got some blushes and you want to do a little bit in the crease and the outer corners, and then do any browns, warm browns, things like that. Please look me up on Instagram if you have any questions at BePrettyMUA, and I hope you have a wonderful show on October 19th with Padina Bondar.